we're going to explain how to connect to a network drive. Connecting to a network drive lets you access files and folders stored on another computer on your network, just like accessing files on your local hard drive. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on your operating system. 1. Understanding network paths. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand the network path. This is the address of the shared drive, usually something like PLA server name, PLA shared folder name, or PLA IP address, shared folder name. Your network administrator will provide this information. Place server name with the name of the computer hosting the shared drive and shared folder name with the name of the shared folder. Similarly, you can use the computer's IP address instead of the server name. 2. Connecting on Windows. On a Windows computer, open File Explorer, usually by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. In the address bar at the top, type the network path, e.g. PLA server name + shared folder name, and press Enter. If the drive is password protected, you'll be prompted to enter the username and password. After successful authentication, the network drive will appear in File Explorer, and you can access its contents like any other drive. Alternatively, you can use the Map Network Drive option. Go to This PC, then click Map Network Drive in the toolbar. Select a drive letter, enter the network path, and choose whether to reconnect at sign-in. If the share requires a password, check the Reconnect at Sign-in box. Click Finish. 3. Connecting on Mac OS. On a Mac OS computer, open Finder. Go to Go in the menu bar, then Connect to Server. In the dialog box that appears, type the network path, e.g. smb/server name, shared folder name, or afp/server name, shared folder name, SMB for SMB shares, AFP for AFP shares, and click Connect. You'll be prompted for your username and password if needed. Once connected, the network drive will appear in the Finder sidebar under Shared. You can then access the files and folders as usual. Note that the SMB/ or AFP/ protocol prefixes are necessary for Mac OS. Or troubleshooting. If you're having trouble connecting, double-check the network path for typos. Ensure that the network share is properly configured on the server and that you have the correct permissions. Check your network connection. Are you connected to the network? If you still have issues, your network administrator might be able to help resolve connectivity problems. Firewall settings on both your computer and the server could be blocking access. Check your firewall configuration. Ensure that the server's sharing settings allow access from your computer. 5. Disconnecting a network drive. To disconnect a network drive in Windows, simply right-click the drive letter in File Explorer and choose Disconnect. In Mac OS, you can eject the drive from the Finder sidebar or by using the Disconnect command in the Go menu. Remember to always follow your organization's security policies when accessing network drives.